We are subcontractors for large or medium-sized companies in Israel. Mostly our products are made from aluminum. Also, we're doing other materials. We are using milling machines, lathe machines, and of course, additive manufacturing by Eros machines. You can design whatever you want. You can have inside tunnels that you can never do it before. You can make big heat sinks and reduce the size of them because you can do a lot of inner tunnel inside. Because of the rough surface also, we got turbulence inside. You can remove it for it much better than the other technologies. We had a part that was manufactured with carbon fiber and aluminum. It was 19 different parts that were glued together. And we managed to assemble everything together, reduce weight, and make it more rigid. And this is a flying part, so it was a success story. EOS is I can say it's a good partner because for each question we are asking, we're getting an answer. If we are tackling a problem, we always have somebody to talk with or get the right answer, or they send the application engineer to check it, or whatever. Whatever we need, we have a strong back from here, so it's a good way to develop and grow together.